Hi, this is Stephen Brower from Art Valley Community College. This video is intended for those that have used Canvas before, especially for online courses, and just want to see the delta of how I, Stephen Brower, handle the class differently. Let me jump over to the syllabus tab just to point out one thing. It's more of like emphasis. For this 9-week course this summer, I'm treating it using 2 sets of deadlines, Mondays and Fridays. You can work at your own pace, up to the deadline for working on things, but I do have these fixed Monday and Friday deadlines that are set. I've heard some other students tell me that some teachers ask their students to log on every day or every other day to see if there's a new assignment that didn't exist previously. This is fixed. Now, not all these are loaded yet. That's a different story. So there existed here. I mean, the Canvas assignment is here. There just may not necessarily be details behind it. All the homework is set for the semester. So if you want to do all the way up to chapter 15 in terms of the homework, knock yourself out. I'm not going to grade it until I get to that point. So I will. On Tuesdays and Saturdays is when I intend on grading the items from Monday and Friday. I do have a web page or a Canvas page that I put here that will have the grading status. Some of the programming assignments take a little bit longer, and so I might give estimates as to when I will actually be posting the feedback. And since not all the assignments are yet loaded, what this page will be is, a couple of things. One is it'll have the status of the videos. So for this, right now it's Thursday, June 4th, and all the content videos are ready for next week. And the only video that I'm working on is the video for experienced Canvas users. Maybe I should work on that. But looking ahead to week 2, I haven't created those videos yet. So this is 2 things. One is this is a to-do list for me. And the other thing is I will put estimates of when I plan on completing those. So right now, as of Thursday, June 4th, the assignments for week 2 aren't created yet. I will focus on the ones that are for Monday the 15th. I will focus on creating those first. So the next batch of assignments that I'm going to create are the ones that are here. So if you're trying to jump ahead further than I'm ready, this would be a place to look to see when I will have the stuff done in order for you to catch up. And I believe, based on what other students have told me, the idea of the fixed dates and the idea of, instead of me hiding the assignments and not opening them until I post them, the fact that I have them not hidden but they're just not there yet, those I think are the 2 things that I do differently than other teachers do using Canvas. The third thing that you'll discover, I know I didn't go over that here, is how I do the content. But the thing is, this is all new for all of us, so I don't know how different or the same it is. What I will just say is that my intention is to have an overview video for the stuff for the week, for each chapter to have an overview video, and then the number of videos per chapter is going to vary drastically from chapter to chapter. Like this one here, Irvine Chapter 1, has a lot of a number of videos in it. Now I'll shut up.